of you that are from Tasmania, those of you that go to East Moona Kindergarten, one of you guys, my mom would have helped as well to learn English. As for my dad, you know, my dad is a person that he was a leader. He was a person with many friends. But when he came to Tasmania, he was a person with nothing. He didn't have the language. He couldn't walk to the shop. He couldn't go and buy a cigarette. He couldn't do anything. My dad was a broken man. All his life, you know, I was always wondering why my dad loved fishing so much. I always ask myself, why does he at 3 o'clock in the morning will walk from Lutana to the wharf carrying his fishing rod, carrying the bucket and walk towards there. I can still see my dad now walking to fish. It was later on that I realized that my dad has no life. He lived everything for us. He chose to go fishing because that's the only thing that he can talk to. The fish is the only people that don't argue back. The fish is when he is back in control again. In 1986, we started the Hmong CRSS, and as Pat said, we start to sponsor people over. My brother and I will receive many applications from Thailand, the Thailand refugee camp. We will spend all night filling those forms out, sending them back to Thailand. 30 forms that we've done, we get one interview, and we already celebrating that we are helping our people. And when we start getting family to come, we give them our life. We love them like a hen loves his chick, but take it like that. We are there. We are there. We are there. You know, I even get to attend a couple of cesarean, a couple of heart operation, and sometimes something that I don't want to tell you here. I always question myself, why do I spend half of my lifetime helping my people when other people are enjoying themselves, when my youth is spending helping other people? This is when my dad's advice come flooding back to me. Son, love those people that they can't love themselves. Help those people that they can't help themselves. They want to be like you, but they can't. In 2011, I become a Christian, and I know what it means now to have someone die for you, like to have Jesus Christ die for me as a sinner, not worthy of his death, and yet for me, it is just another day being a Hmong person. So the question is, who's the lucky one? I believe I am the lucky one. Why? Because those 8 guys, Tivu, Tipa, Tima, Dr. Liya, they are the very top Hmong from Laos. They are the best of the best. They get to come here to Australia and study. Me, I am nothing, yet I get to be here with them as well. And now, you are the luckiest one. Doctors, lawyers, accountants, engineering, whatever. You are the lucky one. So tonight, I salute those 8. For the future, I salute you guys. Thank you.
Wa chang tao lo wa te ko tao lo ang bo lo tao te do te sai kia